In this video, let's take a look at the Settings tab. As we scroll over here to Settings, there's several things going on here that you'll want to take advantage of. And you see here, when we get here, we've got 4 tabs on the page. Account profile information is essentially just everything that you used when you registered it as a new user. You'll notice we have time zone here. We don't currently use time zone, but we will in the future. Soon in the future, when you go to schedule messages, it will reflect your time zone instead of central time zone. Right now, this is not a required field, but you could go ahead and update that if you wanted to. Everything else is straightforward. If you need to change your email address or your personal mobile phone number so that we can continue to communicate with you, if that changes, please do so here. Change password function. Obviously, you're going to need to know what your old password is, and then new password goes here twice. It has to match up. Sign up code. I want to spend a few minutes here. This is something that if you have a website and you want to add a little box on your website to allow users to sign up to your groups, you can do that. Let me show you a website that I have done this with. This is worshiprefuge.com. This is just a ministry site that I'm involved in, but I wanted to show you here. There's a little box right here that if the user clicks that, they get a little pop-up window, and where they can add their own number, their first name and last name, and they click join, and they are added to this group. And now it's a specific group. It's within my account, I have something called Refuge Worship. Now I can have multiple boxes throughout my site, but this is the specific group that they're signing up for. Let me show you how I got this onto the page. You start right here. First thing you do is you select what group are you wanting to create this box for. I'm going to say high school group, and then all you do is simply click generate code. Now the code is generated, and you would copy and paste this and send it to your webmaster and let him place it onto your page. You might be that person, or it might be somebody else, and when they copy and paste it on HTML into a web page, it's going to generate this icon that is clickable and syncs up to JabberText. Now there's another option too. This is just a simple link code. It's also HTML, but if you don't want to use the banner, graphic banner, and you just want to have just a simple link within, say, like a blog or a Facebook posting, you can use this link right here. Okay, and then there's an even more simple link. If you just want to even copy and paste this right into an email or into a Facebook or a Twitter post, you can do that as well. Okay, now you can, if you're knowledgeable of HTML, feel free to do what you want with this. You don't have to use our icon. As you can see here, we actually have the icon, the graphic box built into the code. You can swap that out for whatever you want to swap it out with. We're not, you won't hurt our feelings. Okay. There's a couple links here that'll show you how you can get signatures into Outlook and Thunderbird if you want to do that as well. That's another way you can get the message out. Now, refer a friend is another item here. If you have different groups that you feel would take advantage of JabberText, they would benefit from JabberText, feel free to use this link. Now, if you use this link and somebody clicks that link to get to JabberText.com and they register as a new user, we're going to give you 500 free credits if they become an active user. So help us get the word out, and that way that's a great benefit for you, and it's a great benefit for us. So I just wanted to be sure to point that out as well. If you have any questions about the manage your account functions, as always, email support@jabbertext.com or use our support icon up here to ask some questions. Thank you.